Good morning, all of you. So today we have got English literature class. Hope you all are ready with your books. And today I'm going to start a new chapter. Okay, children? And you will enjoy it. It's a very nice story. It's about a small bird which gets hurt and was found by a small boy from the bushes, and the boy name was Jojo. Jojo takes the bird home, take care of that bird and does the treatment where it was wounded. And then what happened? Slowly that bird became Jojo's pet, and he gave that little bird name Tweety. And then Jojo made a house for that small bird, and then used to give a cup of water and also catch insects and give it to the bird, Tweety, to eat. And Tweety slowly got well, and it started growing also, and it became naughty also. Used to make fun with Jojo, and one day Jojo could not find his toy top which he used to play, and he was going to the school, but before going he was wanting to take the top, but he couldn't find. But all of a sudden when he went to put on his boot, one boot he could not put it on. When he shook that boot, the top came out of the boot and it fell down on the floor. So seeing that, Tweety feels very happy and start making noise, tweet, tweet, tweet. And Jojo also starts laughing. This is a story about a small boy and a bird. Now I'm going to start reading. Jojo's Pet. Chapter 5. James Reader, Chapter 5. Page 30. One day Jojo saw a baby bird hopping in the bushes. Means the birds normally hop. Was inside the bushes. The little bird was hurt in one wing. One of the wing was hurt very badly. Jojo wanted to help the bird. He carried the bird home in his basket. So Jojo, in his basket, he put the bird on the basket and took the bird home. Because the bird could not fly, it got hurt on its wing. Then he took a hammer, some nails and some wood. Hammer, nails, why? To make, and wood. For what? To make a small house for this bird. He built a bird house for the baby bird. Jojo named his new pet Tweety. What was the name of the pet? Tweety. He caught insects for Tweety to eat, because you know, children, the birds likes to eat insects. Birds like to eat insects, some of the birds. So Jojo used to catch insects and give it to Tweety to eat. He gave Tweety fresh water in a cup. Then, so Tweety, Jojo made house for Tweety. He bought insects for Tweety to eat and also gave fresh water in a cup. Tweety hurt wing got better. She learned to fly. Slowly, Jojo took care of the bird, and the wound cured, and what happened? The bird started flying. When Jojo called, Tweety would fly. When Jojo called, Tweety would fly to him and sit on his arm. So as Jojo used to call the bird used to fly and come and sit on his hand. Tweety was naughty. One morning, just watch, One morning Jojo could not find his top, So Jojo could not find his top. He looked for it till time to leave school. So Jojo was very fond of that top. Jojo was very fond of that top, and so Jojo looked here and there, where's my top? Couldn't find. And what happened when you don't get your toy? You feel so sad, isn't it, children? So Jojo was feeling very sad, and he's looking for the top. But what happened? It became time for him to go to school. It became time for him to leave for school. So he could not put on one boot. So what happened? He getting ready to wear, but all of a sudden he put on one boot. The other boot he could not put on. There was something stuck inside. Means something got stuck inside. That's why the feet was not going inside the shoes. See, if anything is inside your shoes, your feet will not go inside it. Unless and until the space is there for your feet to get in. So when he's trying, it's not going. Jojo held the boot. He took up the boot up and shook the boot. Out fell the top. So the top was inside that boot. Tweety flapped her wings. Flap means in happy the birds flapped their wings. Okay? And laughed. They tweet, tweet. That was her way of laughing. How did Tweety laugh? By making a noise like tweet, tweet. So Jojo also laughed too. Jojo also laughed because when he found the top, he was very happy. He picked up his top bag and left for school. So when Jojo found the top, he was happy. He put on his boots, picked up his bag, and he went for school. Children, hope you like this story, this chapter. It's all about us. See how Jojo is shaking and the top comes out. And how the housemaid, see, for the bird. Jojo made the house for the bird. Giving cup of water. And here's the picture when Jojo goes and picks the bird. When it got hurt on the wing, couldn't fly in the bushes, was hopping around. So from this story we learn that we should love our pets. We should love all animals too. Okay? We must not hurt them. We must take care of them. So this is a very interesting story we learned, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Today I read it out. I explained you. Next class we will be doing the exercises. Okay, children? So please read this chapter. Please read this chapter. Okay? And we will do exercise on the next class. Okay, and after that I'll be giving you question, answers, meanings. What? Next class I'll be giving you this, and then after that question, answers, and answers. Okay? So bye. We'll meet again on the next class.